Hey y'all, welcome to Craftable Things. I'm Patrice, and y'all, today's video is much needed. Alright y'all, so I'm really excited about today's project because y'all, it is very much so needed. But before we get into that, make sure to look at the other content if this is your first time here. And if you enjoy the content, I would love it if you would click that red subscribe button and join the Craftable family. In addition, we also have a Facebook group, an Instagram, and a TikTok, and I'd love to see you there as well. But y'all, so Diamond Art Club contacted me and they were like, hey, would you like to try another Diamond Art Club painting? And y'all, if I could have driven to pick the painting up, I would have drove to get it. I totally need it. So today we are going to be unboxing my latest Diamond Art Club painting from the Diamond Art Club. Y'all, I need this so much. It's so relaxing and super therapeutic, and I have been non-stop for the past few months, and I really need this. So if you didn't see my first Diamond Art Club painting, I will have a link listed either above or below for you to check that first one out and see how I unboxed that one and how easy it was just to get started with diamond art painting. All right, so I have nothing else to say. Let's get started. So here is our package from Diamond Art Club. Do what makes you sparkle. And we are going to be opening this up. So I'm really excited about opening this package up because, you know, this is therapy in a box. So I was ready to take out. So I've graduated to a larger box because if you saw my last diamond art unboxing, it wasn't this big. And so y'all, yeah, let's open it up. All right, so we are going to get ready and open up our package. And, uh-oh. Here is our art. So, y'all, this is way bigger than the one that I've done before, but isn't she just adorable even without the bling, right? Even without the bling, she's adorable. This is what comes in the packaging. We have, so of course we have a coupon in there, and also a link will be listed below in the description. And if it's your first time purchasing a diamond art painting from Diamond Art Club, there will be a discount code in there also. But here's what's in the kit. Y'all, this is so beautiful. For those of you who don't know, like the material, this is very good material. It's like canvas material, and on top is a film, and this film on top protects the adhesive on the actual diamond painting. And so as we're applying the stones, we'll peel this back as we go along, but you guys will see that. We're going to start this one off. I cannot wait. So let's see what else comes with it. And this is our master key, or the legend guide, that will tell us exactly which stones we're going to be using and how to match them on the painting. So of course it comes with diamond drills, and they usually give you way more diamond drills than you need. So you want to make sure that you have proper storage for them. I will show you all my storage container in a few. So here are the different colors that we will need for our painting. So many pretty purples. Look at that. I'm gonna have to ask Evie if this is one that she wants to do, because there's so many purples. In the toolkit, this is what we get. And so these are pretty much all reusable items, so you'll be able to use them with multiple diamond art paintings. And typically they send tools for you to be able to apply the diamonds with most of the kits. Alright, so we have our drill tool, or this is the rhinestone tool, where you pick up your stones and you place them on. And we have baggies, and this is these bags I use for my rhinestones or the extra drills that I have, and I just pour it in there. We have wax that we will need, and a wax container. This one didn't come with the other one. We have some washi tape, and I'm not really sure what the washi tape is for. Maybe it's to hold this flat while we're doing our diamond painting. I'm not really sure. The last kit I had did not have washi tape, so if y'all know before I find out what we're using it for, let me know. And then we have this is like a magnet. And so this is possibly like, so I've been using magnets to kind of hold down my last one. So maybe that's what this is for. Maybe to hold down the film while we're going. We will see. We have this tool, and this is just a tool. So one side of the pen is for if you're picking up single stones. This side is for multiple stones, and the same way you would put the wax in this tip, you would put wax on this side too, but this just allows you to pick up more stones. And we have like a pencil grip or rhinestone picker grip to help us hold on to it. And this works the same way as this. This works the same way. Like both of these are together, so this would hold a little less stones, but depending on what you're pressing, you can swap it out, or how many you're pressing, you can swap it out. Not really sure what this is. This was not included in my last kit, so yeah, I'm sure one of you guys will tell me. And we have our rhinestone tray. And this just helps us get those rhinestones turned the correct way so that we can pick them up and press them onto the painting.
So here's the kit that I use, and shout out to Penley for suggesting this storage kit for me to put everything together and make sure all my bling stays in one place. And these are the little canisters that I use, and I label the canisters based off of the diamond art painting that I'm using, and I am going to have to change some of these up because the numbers stay the same. The 3-digit numbers stay the same, however the symbols are different. So right here I'm showing you all 124, and as you see, that symbol is different. That's like an hourglass, and then there's the number 1. But the color is the same. So you really want to, especially if you like maybe waste some of your diamond paintings or diamond drills and you need to get more, you always want to go off of those 3-digit numbers. Sometimes the symbol is the same as we see here, but more than so those symbols are very different. The 3-digit numbers are the same and those colors will match.
So now it's time for us to start, and I am going to start around here. I want to start at the top, and so we're going to expose a little bit of the actual painting. And for those of you who may not have ever diamond painted before, this is sticky, okay? So the film, of course, is not sticky, but the actual canvas that is sticky, that's how we are able to do the diamond painting. So what I want to look for is, I want to start with these, looks like an arrow, or arrowhead. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to now look on the master key or the color legend and find that symbol, and here's the symbol right there. And so the color that I need is 340. So here are the diamond drills for 340, and what I'm going to do is I already took out the container from my storage kit, and so I'm going to find 340 here. And I'm just going to take that off, and then we are going to put it on top. And so once I open this, I want to place this inside of our rhinestone tray. So here's our rhinestone tray, and to get started, I'm just going to put some of these, and that butterfly has a lot of this color, and so I'm just going to place some in there, and I am going to shake it. And what this does is it helps them to turn the correct way. And I have a larger tray, and I'm going to get that out also. So this is the one that came with a kit. So if you don't have one, that is perfectly fine. One comes with a kit. But if if you've been doing diamond painting for a while, you can just go ahead and use a larger tray. And they give you more than enough of these diamond drills or rhinestones, so you don't have to worry. But the larger tray kind of helps them lay a little bit better. And I'm just going to tap it a little bit just to turn them around. All right, so we're ready to get started. Also, y'all, I actually figured out where this goes, and this just goes here. I guess that helps to prevent it from any of those diamond drills from escaping, right? So sure that this goes here. So now we have our pickup tool, and you need this wax so you're able to pick up the diamond drills. And so I'm just going to remove the plastic from on top. And if you're going to be placing them one by one, you can go ahead and put your wax on this end, and that will help you be able to pick up those diamond drills. Now, there are certain parts of this particular painting where you can do more than one, especially areas like this. You definitely want to get more in. I am, though, for this one, I'm going to switch it from this, and this looks like this could possibly get about 8 of them, to this head. And so I'm just going to put that on, and we are going to fill this up with wax. And so I am going to, so I'm going to place this back. You want to make sure you put the cover back on, but I've already lost the cover, so let's go ahead and just cover this up. Okay, so let's go ahead, and we are just going to expose just a little bit, just enough so that we can go ahead and get started. And I am using that washi tape. And so for this particular design, I've already placed the wax, as you guys saw, and I put wax on both sides just in case I need to just use one or get one drill. So now we're going to, and this one is enough for 4. And so we are going to go ahead and start lining it up. And then I'm going to keep going down. Now right here, I'm just going to go ahead and grab one and place that right there in that corner. And then we can keep going. Now if I want to do 2 and just place it right here, I could. Pick up 3 and place it there. Pick up 4, place it there, and then just keep going with this color. So I could go ahead, if I wanted to, I could go ahead and switch this tip and put on the larger one, but I'm just going to go ahead for now and keep doing it with this one. I find doing diamond painting to be very, very relaxing, and I look forward to when I have time to getting a painting done. But you do want to be careful. You don't want to touch any of those areas where that adhesive is. completed all of the 340 drills in this area at least, and so now I want to start on some more. And so I am going to start on that one symbol, which we see is 120. So that's what we're going to look for. And also I'm going to start filling in some of this top part because I don't want to expose too much of the diamond painting. All right, y'all, so we're all done. Well, not really done. We're just starting, but y'all know what I mean. So we're all done with starting our latest diamond art painting from the Diamond Art Club. And y'all, I think this is a beautiful, beautiful painting. And who is the artist? I don't think I even said the artist. So the artist is Christina Laurie. And y'all, this is beautiful. The size of this painting is a 20 by 26. And it's gorgeous. And I can't wait to finish it and add all of the bling to this painting. Y'all, I cannot wait to finish this diamond painting, and I want you all to know that we will be doing a few whip and chats or bling and chills on live to complete this painting so that you all can see the progress. But I do find it super, super relaxing and therapeutic, and I absolutely enjoy doing these diamond art paintings. If you're interested in getting your own Diamond Art Club painting, I will have a link listed below in the description. There is also a discount code that is included in the description as well if you are just starting out. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new or found a new stress reliever, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, make sure to head over to Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok and join Craftable Things there as well. But that is going to be it for today, y'all. Thank you all so very much for watching. Until next time.